Silver is a white lustrous metal. It is an excellent conductor of heat and electricity. Lustrous means shiny. It is also highly ductile and malleable metal. It can be cut into sheets and run into wires and sheets. Its polished surfaces are good reflectors of light. Formation of thin layer of oxide or sulfide on its surface makes it relatively unreactive, and under normal condition of atmosphere it does not affect the silver, but it is affected by hydrogen sulfide and it tarnished in presence of sulfur containing compounds like hydrogen sulfide. Being very soft metal, it is rarely used as such. Alloys of silver with copper are widely used in making coins, silverware, and ornaments. It means it is used in formation of decoration piece, silverware things, pan of silver, and next it is also used for formation of coins. Compounds of silver are widely used in photographic films and dental preparations, and doctors and dentists also use silver for the filling of holes in teeth. Silver also used as a important application in mirror industry, and we know that mirror is polished by silver from the one side and from the back side of the mirror. In mirror is polished by silver. Gold is yellow. Yellow soft metal. It is mostly malleable and ductile of all the metals. 1 gram of gold can be drawn into wire of 1.5 kilometer long. It means it is highly malleable and can be drawn into wires, and only 1 gram of gold can be drawn into wire of 1.5 kilometer long, and it is too much long. Gold is very non-reactive or inert matter, is not affected by atmosphere. It is not even affected by any of acid, single mineral acid or base. Normal mineral acid or base is and minor quantity of acid or base is not affected gold. Have not effect on gold because of inertness in atmosphere. It is an ornamental metal as well as used in making coins. Gold is too soft to be used as such. It is always alloyed with copper, silver, or some other metals. Platinum is used to make jewelry. For example, we hear that 1 carat jewelry, 2 carat, 3 carat. So, in 1 carat and 2 carat mean gold is plated on silver, and silver or other metals. Platinum is used to make jewelry items because of its unique characteristics like color, beauty, strength, flexibility, and resistance to tarnish. It provides a secure setting of our diamonds and other gemstones, enhancing their brilliance. An alloy of platinum, palladium, and rhodium is used as a catalyst in automobiles as catalytic converter. And catalytic converter is used in automobiles engine, which is used for it convert harmful gases into less harmful gases before entering and before they enter into atmosphere. It converts most of the toxic gases being emitted by vehicles into less harmful carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. Platinum is used in the production of hard disk drive coatings and fiber optic cables. Platinum is used in the manufacturing of fiberglass, reinforced plastic, and glass for liquid crystal displays. Yeah, it's mean it is used in plastic and LCDs, and it also in the manufacture of optic fibers, glass for liquid crystals, and